Severe weather season begins.
It's exciting stuff. Yeah, you're out at the park, you're at the lake, and a storm comes up. You got to see what we're doing on TV.
There's Jim Spencer.
I hope so. All right, let's begin tonight with a look out there at the sky right now. And the reason this is particularly important tonight is because, well, this is a once-in-a-lifetime, or the last-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Let's put it that way. The space shuttle will be flying across the sky tonight, but I am not very optimistic that we're going to be able to see it. There are a lot of clouds in the sky. As you can see, just a little patch of blue out there right now. And we're expecting skies to be mostly cloudy right on through the evening. 81 degrees currently. At least the temperatures will be pleasant if you can get out there and try to catch a patch of clearing. By 10 o'clock, we're still at 64 degrees. So where do you look tonight? Well, it will happen at 7:55 p.m. Look off to the north-northwest. You'll need a good line of sight because it'll just be about 10 degrees above the horizon, and the shuttle will be flying from the north-northwest to the north at exactly 7:55. But again, there are a lot of clouds to the north, so we're just not real optimistic. And then following the shuttle 2 minutes later, the International Space Station will be right behind it. They undocked yesterday. And if all goes well, the Discovery will land tomorrow in Florida. And so tonight will be literally our last chance at it. One interesting thing, though, should there be a go around the Earth, if they have to go one more orbit and land on the second try tomorrow in Florida, the path would go across Texas, and we would be able to see the re-entry of the shuttle. And so those are always fun, but the odds of that happening, I think, are pretty slim. All right, well, let's talk about what else is going on tonight, and that's Mardi Gras, of course. If you're headed out to 6th Street, which will be loaded with people tonight, great night. Again, a lot of clouds, but temperatures in the 60s until after 11 or midnight tonight, when we'll fall into the 50s. Cold front coming in, but not until tomorrow morning. Temperatures out there right now, look at this, upper 70s, low 80s. Warmest day of the year so far today with that high of 86. We're at 81 now, and skies are mostly cloudy. South-southeast winds at 8 miles per hour, sunset just a few minutes away at 6:35 tonight. Mold into the high category today. Oak, medium, elm, and assorted other trees were only low. I think everything could be just a little bit higher tomorrow, especially those tree pollens. Mold likely about the same, maybe a little lower. Warm weather surging northward into Dallas. There's a cold front coming in from the northwest. You know what happens in the spring when we get the collisions of the warm, moist, and the cool, dry air. You got it. Severe thunderstorms breaking out up around Paris, Texas. A couple of tornado touchdowns. There is damage. We'll know more about this by our 9 o'clock news tonight and 10 p.m. news here on KXAN 9, of course, over on KNVA. Look at those clouds to the north. So we're looking back to the north to look for that shuttle. Yeah, it doesn't look good. All right. Clouds and radar forecast. Tonight, that front will come through. This is 7 o'clock in the morning, so that's when it'll start getting cooler toward morning. I think most of the Mardi Gras festivities tonight will be in the mild air. And then tomorrow, a little cooler, but really back down to normal. But 10, 15 degrees cooler than today, maybe 20 degrees. Out in Llano County, we had a 90-degree reading today behind that dry line. And then Thursday turned out to be a real nice day. I think you're going to like the 7-day forecast, too. Let's begin with tonight. Cooler in the morning. 40s in the hill country, a little milder east, and then tomorrow, no 90s, no 80s, back to where we belong in the low 70s. Tonight, 50 in Austin for the overnight low. That's toward morning, though, that we get that cool. North wind. And then tomorrow, sunshine, 72. Still a north breeze out there. 7-day forecast. Thursday, chilly morning for sure. Afternoon, great. Friday afternoon's great. The rodeo, South by Southwest, all kicking off this weekend. We'll have more moisture in place, but the temperatures are going to remain fantastic, and I'm thinking on through 10 to 14 days. We may continue to see pleasant temperatures. Don't forget to set your clocks forward Sunday morning at 2 a.m.